Introducing the Plan Thermostatic Bar Mixer Shower Kit. This exposed valve shower kit comes complete with a thermostatic exposed shower bar valve, riser rail with adjustable fitting, handset and hose. The handset features adjustable spray patterns and is adjustable in height at the touch of a button. The thermostatic shower valve features a safety button locking the temperature to 38 degrees unless pressed and overwritten. The Plan shower, constructed from WRAS approved materials and comes backed by a comprehensive manufacturer's guarantee. To learn more about the Plan shower kit or to purchase this shower, please visit our website at rubberduckbathrooms.co.uk.